What's up, y'all? What's up? Welcome back to another video with your boy Abe Shaw. I know it's been a minute since like the last video upload. I don't even know what the last video upload was, but that's okay. It's 2022. We're going up from here. I'm about to start dropping more trading breakdowns that I'm looking at into the market. Probably will be like maybe once or twice a week, or whenever I have like a big day in the market or like a major move has happened in the market. I'm gonna just like drop down a breakdown of what happened. So hopefully while you're watching this video, or for the later videos to come, you're getting the gems, you're applying like the gems that you're getting from my videos into your own trading success, and hopefully help make you a better trader as well. But let's go ahead and hop over to the charts. Alright, so starting to do things different. I'm gonna actually like play y'all through like what actually went in my head as I was trading during this week. So this is specifically for Thursday. As you guys know, Thursday there were news that came out. So let's go to Forex Factory. Thursday there was news on unemployment claims, right? unemployment names, I'm tripping. Unemployment claims was basically like, all right, we knew it was coming out at 8:30 a.m. So when it came out at 8:30, it said, okay, look, this is the forecast at 199K. In the past it was 270K. So basically what they were saying before this news came out, they were saying was, hey, before it was 207K, but we're expecting unemployment claims to go down to 199K. So what ended up happening instead was instead of unemployment going down, unemployment claims actually went up, which means AKA people were employing, why am I tripping right now? People were basically insinuating that, hey, I'm out of a job right now, I'm filing for unemployment, I need help. So the unemployment rate actually went up, which is bad. That's a bad look on the U.S. economy, because that's showing that the economy isn't getting better at all. But there are still people out there, their citizens, the Americans specifically, are still having problems in our country because they can't find a good job, or they're losing their jobs due to the pandemic, due to the virus that's happening. So with me being a trader in the foreign exchange market, right, I was like, hey, that's bad news. But from my experience when I trade SPX, I think the news came out. What time did the news come out? I'm gonna start. Okay, so this news came out at 8:30 a.m. So that's when I saw it. I texted my signals chat, and I'm gonna show y'all. I said, hey, I'm waiting for the SPS zone. This is at 8:50 a.m. I'm waiting for the so this is 20 minutes after the news came out. I'm waiting for SPS to push to the top of this zone, looking for a potential sell opportunity around the 47.45 area, right? 47.45 area. That's exactly what you see right here. This is the resistance I had, and the reason why I had this set because this was like I think this was either the highest point of the weeks thus far, or I obviously, as you can see to the left of the chart, it came up here and rejected it, and it started like the sell that started to push down for earlier that week. So I was like, all right, me knowing this is kind of like what some traders would be like, oh, this is the institutional style trading. You could think of it like that. Me, I was just like, I know like where the market want to go. I know like how they want to move the market, in which like, all right, what's the best price for us to get in for at the sale. I know right now I think this is the 6 a.m. candle, so I'm gonna go ahead and play it. Yeah, this 6 a.m. I'm gonna go ahead and play it. Oh shit, I did it too fast. I'm trash, but oh well. So look, this is 8 a.m., 9 a.m. right? I'm gonna go down to the 15 minute because that's the time frame I really trade on the most. It's right here. So yeah, right here, it was literally consolidating like 15-30 minutes an hour. It was really just chilling, consolidating. It wasn't pushing nowhere even after the news came out. But I'm like, all right, I know for a fact once it hits 47.45, that's an area that's gonna look to retest before it actually drop, if it's gonna actually continue for that sell. Sure enough, what happened? It wicked the 47.45 and it went instantly in profit. Literally flew. I think it was like 500 pips or something like that. 47.45. Literally went for 900 pips. Like, this move was actually very insane. And of course, I was sick. This move was actually very insane. And of course, I was sick. Not literally, but I was sick because guess who was the fool that went to sleep? I dozed off. I was laying down still looking at the charts, and I just dozed off and I went back to sleep. I woke up. I didn't set a sell limit or nothing. I was hurt. I woke up. I'm like, I just know it hit 47.45. Looked at the chart. It hit 47.45. And I didn't even get the chance to call the trade out of the Silas chat. I told them the area that I was looking for, but I didn't actually send an official alert. Luckily, there were some of my students, some of my mentees at the time that did hop into the trade, but me personally, I wasn't able to take this setup. So I was like, dang, bro, like I was sick, right? So If you didn't catch this move, don't feel bad because I didn't catch it either. But I'm here to show y'all like why it reacted the way it reacted. Is because the unemployment claims went up more than what was expected the price to go up to. And with doing that, all you have to look for is like where's that major area that it low-key might potentially want to go to before it actually take off for that sell. Because I know there were thousands of people that, oh, it's about to go negative, it's about to go negative. Like, oh, it's about to sell. Like, news came out at 8:30, they entered for a sell immediately. They saw, oh, claims went up, bet it's about to sell. They entered for a sell immediately instead of waiting for that specific price area that the market want to go down to. I mean, push up to first. And with doing that, you got yourself in drawdown 100 pips. You caught 100 pips in drawdown just from like entering too early. And at this moment, you probably like, damn, bro, it's still going for a buy. Like, I close out, my panic close. As soon as you panic close, it pushes all the way down for 800 pips. But instead, all you have to do is wait for that specific area to push up to, or if it breaks below this, you good too. But if it pushes, wait for that specific area where it pushes back up to, which I should have, well, I did, but I was sick. So it pushed up. Once it pushed up, that's a risk-free trade, bro. You deep in profit. 800 pips is crazy. Like 800 pips off of SPS in one day is insane. That's crazy. That's stuff we do on US 30, Germany 40. Now it's 100. We don't do that on SPX. On SPX specifically, it's possible. It's not common for it to happen every single week. The most I've caught in a day, like consistently in a day, is probably around 350 to 400 pips a day. You can catch off of SPX. When it's a big move, obviously you see it just took off 800. But 400 pips is the most. I could say that would be the average that you could potentially catch a week off a move in a day, maybe. But usually the average that I safely call out my trades, we always catch at minimum 150 to 200 pips. Because it's always, my TP133 always smash. Humble flex. Alright, but this video isn't going to be that long. Just wanted to show you guys the brief setup, which honestly helped guide the rest of the week for us between this and, well, this ain't the rest of the week. This is like the last trade of the week. Because, like, honestly, if you don't follow me on Instagram, you would know, like, if you don't follow me on Instagram, you would know, like, this week is another week we just went undefeated in the chat. I gotta get myself a round of applause. We're undefeated in the chat. We went 9-0, caught 2,100 pips. And like I said, I've been focusing more heavily on the indices. So on my chart right now, you may see the currencies up here. This is specifically for my Academy members. Academy members get both the currencies and the indices, but indices are specifically only for the Signals chat. Right, so I'm very, very, very excited for the new year. 2 weeks back to back. We still undefeated this week. I think, what's that? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm 15-0 to start the new year. Right, probably up 4,000 pips, if I'm not mistaken, between this week and last week. It's only up for here. I'm only gonna get better. I'm only gonna continue to be focused. Very excited. But that's it for this video. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, the next breakdown, the next trading thing, the next car I go look at, or just simple me vlogging me at the gym. Catch y'all in the next one. Peace out.